I'm about to use this RevAir for the first time ever, guys. Buckle up, because this is a big boy. This is also supposed to completely eliminate heat damage. So we gonna see. God knows I cannot afford to have any more heat damage. I even have a Rev comb, RevAir clips, RevAir scrunchies. I feel like this should be a big enough section. We're going to... Oh, I'm so nervous. How do you even do this? Oh, this is so weird. I think my section might be too big. And that is just on level. What? Okay. I'm about to crank it up. I am at loss of words. Roots are dry. Let's continue. I am just so excited now. Truly, where has this been my whole life? Truly, I tell you. We're gonna see if we can do this pretty big section. Truly, dude. That was probably the best section I've done. Oh my gosh. This looks like I legit straightened my hair. Hold up, this is crazy. I need to repeat that same technique on the rest of my hair. Ladies and gentlemen, this is crazy. Oh my God. That is crazy. I redid this front section for about 20 more seconds. This looks like I low-key just straightened it real fast. That's crazy. It's honestly low-key giving silk press from a distance. Look at the difference. This side only took me like 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes to do all this. I'm gonna have all these products linked to my Amazon storefront, by the way, in case you wanna look around, in case you wanna shop around. This is beautiful. 10 out of 10. I recommend the RevAir. And the cool thing about it is I could take 10 minutes and do my hair and wear this as a hairstyle for a whole week. Like, don't even have to really straighten it for real. Less heat damage. We love to see it. I kind of feel like a news anchor like this. Reporting live here at NBC News. Back to you, Rick. Y'all better go get y'all one of these.